No, yeah.
I
That's
barely
what's
got.
made.
I barely have any money at all.
Plan B: secure the weapon cache and send it back to Forte Hope or Fort Hope. Okay, complete the level with all cleaners alive. We could do that. Anyways, you were saying? Whoa.
I barely have any cash. Ooh, a purple desert eagle.
How much cash do you have?
3,300.
5,400. I'm gonna get 2 toolkits again. Yeah, I can't get any lethals or freaking healing items.
All I can get is just the fibs. I think since I'm gonna save the law until the last boss, I'm not gonna get team quick slot.
Oh.
I'm gonna get team health and I'm gonna get team stamina.
Well, I'm getting everything else then. I had enough for everything.
Oh, what the fuck?
Yeah.
At least it didn't sink.
Peanut butter, right there.
Leftovers.
Oh man,
Nice.
stuff's everywhere.
Snapped in two like a goddamn twig. Leaves
Alright.
everywhere.
Watch out and shit in their heads.
Oh, right in the cranium.
They explode.
Oh, it's those zombies, yeah. Alright. Shit, that means I can't knife them.
No, because it's an instant headshot if you knife them.
Yeah. Shit, my sniper fucking alerted them.
No, it's my deagle.
No, I shot and the zombies around them immediately started coming over
Oh,
here.
yeah.
Rover 2, this is Screaming Eagle. We're inbound on your position. Find the attack.
I believe it's constant horde, by the way.
Nope,
Phillips out.
it's a timed horde.
Okay.
But instead of a timer, there's things trying to kill us.
Just get whatever you can.
I'll check the car.
I got no container over here.
I see one container, that's obvious.
Here's one. Let's get this baby.
I found a minigun. I could use a toolkit on it, but I don't want to.
I would say don't.
No, I'm in it.
Breathing more bleeding.
Shit, the hordes go by fast.
Yep. Oh, shit!
Shit, you good?
Oh, we'll see. Okay, yeah, I'm good. I had a fucking big boy on me. I didn't want to get launched off.
Fucking big boy.
I found a container
Yeah,
over
I killed the
here.
big boys in one hit.
Hey, I found one.
Do that one as well. Yep.
Yep, I have to attach all 4.
I found one over here, so the next one is gonna be over here.
Where?
Did you attach all 4?
I can't, not until the chopper's over it.
Shit, alright.
I'm looking for like a toolkit room or something.
Dude, I don't know what I can touch and what I can't, cause like the water, I don't know if it's safe for me to go inside.
It is. Come over here where I am, Israel. Can you come to where I am?
I don't even know where the fuck you are. You went off.
Oh shit! I'm sleepered. I'm sleepered. To your left. To your left.
Oh shit! I see you. I see you. I see you. I see you. I should be able to make it in time.
Yep. Thank God to their bolstered health, dude.
Get down. I'll take it.
Time to go. Cleaners, we're on.
Rider Slayer, 20% weak spot damage as well.
Where?
I just marked it.
I have that owned.
Okay. Oh no!
The duffel bag!
Yep. I can
I'm
take
carrying
it.
one to fib.
Okay, you
No,
gonna
I'm
take it?
carrying one to fib. Yeah, I can take it. I can take it.
Okay.
God damn it! I was gonna try and grab that.
I'm just grabbing whatever as well. I'm like not chancing the time.
Container.
Let's get this baby.
Do you want to
Okay.
stay or should I stay here?
You stay here.
You sure?
Actually, there's a toolkit room right here. I'm gonna open it. Come in here. Ooh, a purple AK. RBK, sorry. Ouch. I focused that guy instantly.
Flashlights on.
That's a grip. Oh, a heal station. I need that.
Can't have you bleeding.
Let's not separate as well.
But it would be faster.
It would, but what if one of us gets grappled again?
You.
Warp chest! You can also get grappled as well.
No reward.
Ooh! Israel! Do you want the sniper?
Yeah. What sniper?
Come look at me. I got something that you might want. Come over here. It's a warp chest. Come
Where are
over
you?
here. Back at the staircase.
Oh, yeah, the law.
Yeah, it's not just that.
You can't say
The
no.
pestilence. Oh, the
The
pestilence.
pestilence!
Yep.
Wait, hold on.
New best.
Oh my god.
Just don't tell Dottie, okay?
Fuck, I like them both.
Whatever you don't take, I'm taking, by the way.
I wish I had the fucking double primary shit. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I know what you mean.
Here, let me use the sniper for a little bit. On this
Okay.
horde.
Hurry it up.
Dude, this sniper is so good. It kills like special riddance in like 2 shots.
Okay,
if you
I'm
hit
gonna
their weak
take.
spot.
I'm gonna take the AR. Okay. Oh.
Wait, can I? Wait. No, take the AR. Take the AR. Yeah.
Okay.
Man, there could be anything.
You're like, I don't like it. It
The
takes too
sniper's
long.
just too good. The sniper's too good.
I know what you
Here,
mean.
I'm gonna go off on my own. I'm gonna try and go on that thing. Okay?
Oh, I'm
Stay
going
here.
to.
Stay here.
Oh, okay. All right, I'll stay here.
Yeah, I'm gonna just try.
All right. Yeah, cause this one's a lot easier to handle, like cover. I say that as I can't fucking hit anybody. Actually, do you even know where that container is, Israel?
I can see it on the map.
Yeah, but do you know exactly how to get to it? Because if you don't, I do.
I'll figure it out.
Okay. Oh, we missed a memento. They're with you, by the way.
That's good.
That is.
I'm trying to do this as fast as I can.
Yep.
To the point where no zombies get to me.
Yeah, they're mainly going
Alright,
after
Jojo.
you.
Chopper should be headed to you in a little bit.
Yep. You might actually be able to get back before it heads to me.
Oh shit!
Shit. Get over here quick.
Shit! Yup! But he just spawned right behind me. How much damage? I barely do any damage. Jojo, you're gonna have to do all the damage.
Yep, I'm damaging him right now.
Make sure your aim's good.
I'm missing like a few bullets, but it's fine.
I can use this. Gotta have a weak spot. My bad.
Dude, the damage. Look at his HP.
Reloading.
Did I do that or did you do
Yeah,
that?
no, you did that. You did the chunk damage, but I did like the damage over time.
That was just from shooting his weak spot.
Yeah. Oh
Go,
shit!
Joseph, container. Oh
It
my
fucking knocked me over.
god.
It knocked me over the edge. Fuck. I'm looking for my body.
Yeah, I'm not doing the container. I'll help you look for your body.
Yep.
Hook it up and get on, then we'll get the hell out of here. No time for this.
Oh god, that's not.
I hope I can
safe.
find it because I got the worst bot and he has a freaking sniper.
Like skate shoot.
Oh my god, dude. Fucking
That's
big
if I can
guy.
even find my body. That's if it spawns in. You check it over there?
Checking right now. Oh hey, there's a car that we didn't loot. Hey, there's a whole area we did not loot over
Go
here.
over there. Go over there. It might be over there.
I'm not getting any help me.
Dude, I hate this guy's freaking... I hate this guy's freaking loadout.
I'm down.
Shit, bad time to not have my defib, huh?
No, it's actually not. I auto revived apparently. No!
Shit. Fuck. Just keep looking, we'll find it eventually.
Hopefully. No, we've been through everywhere. I didn't respawn back.
Shit. I mean, you should've, this is your first time dying to the water, right?
Yeah, but I think it's about when you die.
Fuck.
We might have to do this.
Okay, you do what you want, I'ma keep looking.
Yeah, I'm looking over here too. But this fucking loadout is really my fucking top of me. Wait, maybe the back the way we came?
You can check over there, yeah?
I'm running over there.
Yeah, cause we'd get the help me thing from very far away, wouldn't we?
Yeah. It's not over here.
Hey, could be worse.
No?
No.
Didn't think.
Back off. Snapped in two like a goddamn twig. Leaves everywhere.
That's fine, I'm good.
Thanks, son.
Oh. How did he pick you up from that far?
I don't know how either.
Shit, I'm not getting anything over here.
I'm not.
But wouldn't it be like... Wouldn't you hang off the edge?
Got you, Jim.
I don't know as well. No, I wouldn't hang up. I'll be like stuck to something. I'll be like,
No, I mean, when you fell off, shouldn't you have been stuck to the thing?
yeah, but the problem was I didn't like walk off. It fucking launched me off.
Oh shit.
Yeah, I jumped on the edge on accident, and it just launched me off of it.
Reloading.
I'm going to do this thing, okay?
Alright.
Yeah, oh well.
Is that just a shadow?
Attaching cargo hook. Attaching the third one. Alright, second one. Third one. Fourth one. Attached. Look around one more time.
Alright.
Best be the hunter, not the prey.
I'm gonna check near the starting area.
Yep.
You okay? This shit draws them like flies.
Help
Don't
us!
worry about me.
Oh, okay.
Don't worry about me. Don't worry about me.
I thought I got the fucking thing.
I know.
I was like so happy. I was like, fuck.
Did I not Oh, we gotta gather at the container. God damn it. No, yeah. I think since it's the last one, I won't spawn back in.
Beginner's luck. Guess we'll just have to wait and see.
Shit.
Damn it.
Wait, last one for what?
Since it's like the last objective.
Oh.
Let's see what we've got here.
Yeah, just go to the objective. Yeah. Damn! I lost the AR and the pistol, and the pipe bomb, and the 2 bandages.
Shit.
Oh well. Sucks. Can't do anything about it.
Fill them full of lead.